Dotloop Tutorial for Real Estate Transaction Management Demo. Hey guys, welcome to Dotloop Tutorial, where I'll be showing you how you can manage your transactions and how you can do your full real estate management. So let's get into it. First of all, what you're going to be doing, you're going to go to dotloop.com and you will land on this website right here. Dotloop is a very famous platform that allows you to manage your real estate and the transactions. You can actually do everything in real time. So in order to get started with Dotloop, you can actually try it out for free as well, or you can contact the sales. So you're going to create an account on Dotloop, which is very easy. You can use your Google account or your email address to get started. Once you sign up for Dotloop, this is where you will get. So now you can see this is my main dashboard that I got here. So with Dotloop, it's very easy. You can see at the top here, we have something called loops. Then we have tasks, people, templates, and this is my default profile. So what we can do is we can actually create these workspaces that are called loops. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to click on add loop here, or we can just click here. Click on add loop. And now what we're going to be doing is to add a loop, you're going to simply click on add a loop option here. And now we have to add the loop name. So this is where you will add your property address or MSL slash. So unsure of the property address, you can put in your client's name for now and you can change it later. So what I'm going to do here now is, again, for the purpose of the video, I'm just going to go ahead and write the word test here as like the name of the client. But here you will actually get a lot of different options available from the different loops. Then we're going to click on continue. And this is where you will upload a photo for this loop and click on done. Then that's it. That's how easy it is to create a loop within dotloop.com. So now if I want to create another loop, I will just simply click on create another loop, or I can click on view. So I'm going to click on view loop and it will show you the loop that you've just created. And now we can do a lot more within the loop that we have just created. So this is the name right here. Now we have add documents. Now this is where I will be adding different types of documents, such as the email. We can browse for different files, any type of information, the documents that we need to upload. So we will upload them right here. So we can create different templates so that we don't have to create different things every time, and we can just use the template here. Then we have add people. Invite your clients, vendors, and even those on the other side of the negotiation. Now, this is where you can add any person you want to add. It can be a client or a vendor. So I will be adding a client here. So we need to enter a full name. So for the full name, let's go ahead and add the name here. I am adding a name, and then we have email address. So let's go ahead and add an email address as well for our client. So it's really easy to use, and you just have to enter the information that you have. A role, because it's a client, so we're going to go ahead and add the buyer here. So you will select the role from here. For now, I'm just going to select buyer, and then we have to add some additional information here that I'm going to quickly do that. So once you've added some of the information, you're just going to click on add person, and this person will be added right here. Now you can see I can add as many people as I like manually, or we can import a list as well. Then we have add tasks. Now this is important. Within our Dotloop, I can add and manage different tasks for this specific client or this specific person. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on add tasks. And we're going to click on add task list. So now we can create a list. We have my tasks, and then under my task, I can create more tasks. So we can even create a, template for the tasks here. And this is my task, a new list, and we can add now, for instance, task 1, enter, and then I can add maybe another. We can say task 2. So this is how we can add different tasks here, and now we can add the assignee. So first we can add a due date. So maybe the due date is tomorrow. Then we have unassigned. So this is where I can assign it to a team member. This way I can create more than one lists here, and then we can add different tasks. So you can see these are the different things we can do within a loop when we create one. We can even add more folders here, and at the top we are getting the loop and the tasks option. Then we have people people, and templates. So you can actually choose any from here, or you can just scroll down. So now I can go to the activity log, and this is where I will get the activity for this loop. And we have sent earnest request as well. We're going to go back to my loops, and this is where now I will be able to see the list of the loops that I have created. Now I showed you how to create a task within a loop, but here at the top as well, we get the task and people option. So go to the task option, and this is where you will have your task list, and you will have your assignees or your personal tasks given here. Then we have people. Now within the people, I showed you how to create a client or a person. So you just simply go to people here, click on add person, and you select the role. Maybe this time we are adding an admin. So you enter their full name, email address, phone number, cell phone. Even if you want to add more fields to it, you can do that. So you click on add person, and a new person is added. So for example, this time I am adding a team member. So I'm going to add their name, and I'm going to click on add, and they will be added here. So this is actually Emily Adams. Okay, perfect. Now I'm going to click on add, and now you can see a new person has been added. So even when you go to the people, even with the person that you've just added, you can do more with the contact information. You can add their ID, you can add their company name, you can add their city, and you can then create teams too. So this is how you will be adding people. And then at the end here, we have the template section. Now this is where what I can do is I can create different templates, or I can like upload different files. We can add documents, we can create folders, and this is very important when it comes to our real estate transactions or real estate management. We must upload some of the important documents, and we need to keep track of the different types of files. So you can upload them here in one place, and then you can simply drag them to your loop, or when you create a loop, right here, you will be able to add it. At the top here, I will also get the activity log or a notification. Now, this way I have different loops created. So if I want to create a new loop, I will just click on add, and you just add the name. Maybe this time I can call it test 2. Click on continue, click on done, and that's all. And now you will see that we will have another loop created, and it will look something like this. So I can then sort them according to the dates. I can add different filters to it, so I can access them anytime. And this way I will be able to manage my real estate in a much easier way. And I have this very, easy to use dashboard available that will help me gain all these access. Signing up process for Dotloop is also really easy. You can sign up using your Google account or your email address. Once you do, then you will have it right here, and you can actually upgrade to a plan. So there is actually a pricing plan available. There is agents for $31.99 per month, and then there is teams and brokers that you can actually contact to get all the information. So this is like the basic plan that it starts from, which is not that expensive if we talk about the different features that we will be getting.
So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to tell you everything about the topic.
So yeah guys, this is how you will use a Dotloop for your real estate management. I hope this video was a big help to you. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.